Hi, so I just wanted to show you guys the quickest way to hand over this box from one robot arm to the other. So it's basically almost like a parent switch, but it's just going to be all keyframes. So I know from 40, it's going to go up, and it's going to go to this robot, and this robot's going to take it over at 120. Okay, so let's get to our starting frame. I'm going to put this into edit mode. I'm going to select that. I'm going to set my time range from 40 to 120, and then I'm going to use this. And then it's going to bake that over there, all 2 keyframes. Okay, now look at my box. When does the other robot arm start to move? Let's make it from 140. So I'm just going to set a keyframe for it, maybe 1 keyframe before. I'm going to go into this. I'm just going to select any face in it. From 140 to, and he takes it over there. Let's make it to 220. 0. Set my time range there and just do it forward. So it's first going to align my helper to my face, and then it's going to bake that into the animation. Cool. So now lifts it up, hands it over to that robot, and carries it over. The box itself, there's 0 constraints, not a single constraint. It's all just 2 keyframes. Cool.